Hey guys, it's Danielle. Hey guys, it's Danielle, and today we'll be visiting one of the most unique waterfalls in Grenada, Golden Falls. Golden Falls is located in Mount Horne in St. Andrew, Grenada. It's a unique waterfall because it gives off both hot and cold water, and also it has sulphurous rocks, so that's why it's called Golden Falls, because of the color. So you guys can see Daniel in the back there. He's coming with us, and we have some other people that will be joining us as well. So I'm very excited for this trip because I've actually never been there before, and I can't wait to see what it's really like. And I look forward to showing you guys. So remember to subscribe and give the videos a thumbs up if you like it. So see you soon. Beautiful cabbages.
Farmers, fishers, fishermen.
And we are officially off on this hike, guys. So I'm excited. We're gonna have a good time today, for sure. Yes guys, so we're on this hike. It's about an hour and a half to get to Golden Falls. We're going with Delon. He's the owner of Real Grenadian Taxi and Tours, and he has some very good reviews, so definitely check him out on Facebook. He does other hikes as well. I think he also goes to Welcome Rock and he goes to Adelphi and so check him out.
Miles away from the base mountain, and it's about 1 hour and a half.
Yes guys, so there's a dam right here that NASA built. We're gonna go up high and show you guys. This is the dam. There's a dam over there, and like I said, waterfall is also in this direction. I never heard of it, but good to learn about it today. This is Delon, so guys, check him out. Yeah. And this is the direction to Golden Falls. Guys, so we've been walking about 40 minutes now. As you can see, I'm sweating, but the hike is not that bad so far. Honestly, the scariest part was when I had to walk across that little bridge thing. I'll show you, well, you guys will see it to be before this clip, but yeah, check this out. It's very beautiful, right? Yeah guys, so I'm enjoying it so far. Guys, and check out this glorious silk cotton tree. It's so big, you can't even see the top, man. Look at it. Very beautiful. Yes guys, so we are approaching the majestic Golden Falls. As you can see, the water started changing color. It's that beautiful sulphuric color. And yeah, so I can't wait to show you guys, and I can't wait to see it myself. Yes guys, so this is a beautiful small one, right? This one is small, it's at the bottom, but the bigger one, the one we're actually going to, is higher up. That's the one that has both the hot and the cold water, so we'll show you guys that one. This is the smaller one at the bottom. This is just a close-up look at it. Smaller one. guys, so right where you see that rope there, let me see if I can point it right here. The rope is here. We had to go jump from here to this rock right here, guys, and that was so scary. Oh my god, that's the hardest part of the hike. Other than that, you're basically just walking up the river, you know, to get here, and it's not that hard. But you see this rope, guys? This rope is hard, man. But yeah, guys, it's so beautiful here. So beautiful. So we finally made it to the bigger one. This is a big fall. So right here, from the river coming down, is cold water. And over there, behind where that person having a little back there, it's warm water. So yeah, guys, it's hot and cold. Amazing, right? Amazing. Golden Falls. Guys, and we had to swing across a rope over there. Oh my god, that was so scary for me. I was just there for the longest while. But we made it. Golden Falls. Yes, guys, so we are at the beautiful Golden Falls. It took us about 2 hours to get here because, you know, we were taking videos and we took breaks and so. It was a relatively easy hike, but the last part on climbing the rope, that was hard. Like, we had a specific part we had to swing across, and Lord, that was hard for me. But we made it. It was an amazing hike, so remember to check out Delon on Facebook, Real Grenadian Taxi and Tours. You know, and he can bring you, actually he does hikes anywhere you want to go, he can bring you. So yeah, guys, I'm going to show you guys a little bit more of us enjoying the falls, so stay tuned. Yes, guys, so we're chilling over by Golden Falls. Very beautiful, guys. Very, very, very beautiful. I haven't had a chance to go in the warm water as yet because everyone is there enjoying it. But yeah, guys. Really there. Guys, so we're having a great time over by Golden Falls. So you see everyone is in the water enjoying themselves. Everyone, especially the warm water. I'll show you guys again probably when everyone is done because everyone is just by that warm water, man. It's so amazing. So yeah, guys, we're having a really, really good time here. So I definitely recommend that you take this trip with Delon. He's the owner of Real Grenadian Taxi and Tours. You know, I'll put a picture of his Facebook page here so you can contact him too. And I'll also put a link to his Facebook page in the description box. So yeah, guys, check it out. Guys, so this is where the warm water is coming from. The rocks there, it's nice, it's warm, it's amazing. Everybody has been chilling over by this spot because it's so amazing, guys. Yeah, and this is the river water. And it's not that cold, it's just cool, right? This water. Yes, guys, so the most beautiful Golden Falls. It's a must see. So we have cold water coming from the river. Well, not cold, cool water. That is right here. And then we have warm water right there. Amazing. Yes, guys, so we had a wonderful time over by Golden Falls. Definitely check it out. So like I said, I'll put the link to Delon Facebook page in the description box so you can check it out if you want to come on this tour. Yeah, guys, I mean the warm water, especially the warm water is the highlight, man. It feels so good. So good and soothing, guys. So soothing. Yeah, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and remember to subscribe and give the videos a thumbs up if you like it. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!